Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you are fit, fine, taking good care of yourself. You all know me, I am your maths teacher, Archana Singh. So, before going to the topic, we would like to revise the previous topic. What we have done in our previous class, we have done number names. We have learned 2-digit, 3-digit number names, how to solve from your book as well as from the worksheets, right? Though this is your revision class, we are revising the chapters once more so that you can be clear enough to solve the problems in the upcoming classes. Okay, so I hope you will all enjoy again. And today's topic is between, after, and before. We have already done this chapter and worksheets before, and though we have got the books PDF, we will try to solve out the books worksheet. Okay, so without wasting any time, let's start today's before, after, and between from our book. Let's start. We already know the concept of greater, lesser, and equal. See, I have done some problems to show you out. That is, 10 is lesser than 11, 12 is lesser than 13, 99 is lesser than 98, 19 is lesser than 20, 39 is greater than 38, 0 is equal 0, 15 is equal 15, 100 is greater than 99, 56 is greater than 54, 30 is greater than 29, 10 is lesser than 12, 16 is greater than 15. Okay, so like this we can continue. Like we can do many sums, like 99 is greater than 98, so here will be the greater sign. Okay, you can do so many sums like this. 60 is lesser than 62, like this. If we want to do the is equal size, 58, always the sign will be is equal. Okay, these are the basic signs of greater, lesser, and equal. You can do so many sums regarding this. Okay, and I hope you have all understood it also. Okay, the concept of greater, lesser, and is equal. When the numeral is small, that is lesser, numeral is big, that is greater, and if the numeral is same, that is equal. We will do like this. Okay, see, we can solve so many sums like this. Like this, we can solve so many sums. Okay, so here I have solved so many sums. 19 is lesser than 20, 29 greater than 28, 30 is greater than 29, 100 is greater than 98, 2 is lesser than 3, 12 is greater than 11, 16 is greater than 12, 36 is greater than 35, 40 is greater than 39, 50 is greater than 48. See, so many examples I have done. 6 is lesser than 7, 3 is lesser than 4, 22 lesser than 24, 18 is lesser than 20, 56 is greater than 38, 23 is lesser than 32, 33 is greater than 29, 80 is greater than 78, 86 is greater than 83, 15 is greater than 14, 16 is equal to 16. So like this we can solve so many problems if we want. So let's do one more example if we want to do. Yes, so I am doing it here to show you. There are some, if you will get like this, how you will do. 89 is greater than 80, so that means it's greater. Then 96 is lesser. Okay, as I said, 100 is greater than 99. Okay, if we will do 40, that means is equal to 40. This is the concept we will follow for greater, lesser and is equal. As I said earlier, 88, if the digit is small, smallest sign, big, bigger sign. If the digits are same, that will be is equal size. Okay, you can do like any of the word. Like if you want to do for 3 digits, see 129, you can see like this, lesser. Okay, you can do also like this, 101 greater than 105, that means okay, you can do also like this, means we can take 90, 991, 995, that means it's lesser. Okay, we will take 556, 555, that means this is the concept of 3 digit greater, lesser and is equal number. Okay, if this type of will come, you can easily answer, but the 2 digit is more applicable. We will do with the 2 digit only. Okay, and no need to worry about, we can continue with so many sums like this. 58, see it's greater, like this we will continue out. Okay, like this, 60 greater than 63, that means it's lesser, the sign will be lesser. Okay, by this way we will continue with doing 28, 27. So we will all do, we have already done the worksheets, we will all do the book textbook worksheets, so that you will not lag behind and you will be also familiar to the greater, lesser and is equal sign. Okay, I know everybody can do in you have already done in your previous classes, so all the students are familiar to this, but in spite of that we will get in touch of this, so that no issues will occur in other class also or in the upcoming class also. Okay, so this is the technique I have showed you today, and I hope you have all understood it, and you will be also able to do it in the class also and from the worksheet also. Okay, so by here I'll end my class. Do a very good care of yourself, do your assignments on time, send it on time, respect your parents, your teachers, your grandparents, stay at home because it's a very critical situation right now. Staying at home will make you safe. Okay, so end of the class now. Bye for now, we will meet in the next class. So bye all of you, take care and have a very nice day.